How to make your own Roblox UGC item here on your PC or on the Roblox official website. Now, to do this, what you have to do is mainly click on a step-by-step guide to becoming a Roblox UGC creator. Now, what you have to do is follow the steps. Firstly, create a Roblox account. In order to access the Roblox Studio and other features, you will need a Roblox account. If you don't have one, simply create. Now learn Lua programming language. If you want to create high quality UGC, it's important to invest your time in skills such as Lua programming, model designing, and don't worry if you have the new areas, there are plenty online resources. Develop a portfolio, compile a collection of best projects exhibiting your abilities, originality. This will be essential success factor in your journey to become UGC creator. Be a part of Roblox community. Networking is the key when it comes to your UGC creation. By joining social media groups, Discord channel, forums, events, you will have a chance to learn from collaboration with other developers and Roblox community. Submitting your application. When you're confident in your skills and have a strong portfolio, it's time to submit your location or submit your UGC creator programming website. Now, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.